Hey everybody, welcome back to Driftless Adventures. We're out here, ready to go. We're going to do some pond hopping on a military base today, actually. It's going to be a lot of fun. I got a few ponds on this military base that I know of that hold some pretty decent largemouth. I'm pretty excited. Guess it looks pretty windy out there today, so we're probably going to leave the top water inside. Just stick to probably the Senko and maybe a jig. Maybe a swim bait or two also. But I'm pretty excited. Let's get out there and let's get to it. See you guys out there. Let's go. Alright. Just got up to the first spot of the lake. Since it is a little bit windy, we're going to throw a little weighted wacky rig. And the other thing that we brought is a football head jig with a rage craw on the back. This is some very clear water, so I'm going with natural colors. Wow, how did I never notice those weeds over there? Alright. Alright, getting up to this next spot here. Don't think I can stress enough how important it is to wear at least like some rain boots or something. Just because, at least when I go fishing, I get my feet wet a lot. If I didn't have rain boots, it would get pretty miserable. Let's try way out there. Let's see if it can't break off in all these weeds. If we do catch something, it's going to be pretty tough to move them through all these weeds. Don't think that was a fish, but it felt weird. Oh, there was one. Something just drilled it, and he's got it. Do we got him still? Yeah, I think we still got him. Yeah, well, he must be really small though. Sorry, I completely drilled the GoPro. Completely drilled the GoPro on that one, on the hook set. Whoops. Oh well. Yep. Ouch. Okay. Alright. Really skinny little guy. Doesn't seem super healthy. Maybe that's why I wasn't fighting too hard. Felt like I was just reeling in the bait, honestly. The little Senko. He was not fighting very hard at all. But let's get him back in the water. And there he goes. Awesome. We're on the board for today. Alright. Just caught that one nice little, I mean, he was really little, but it's still always nice to catch them. Is it sprinkling? It is. Huh. Might have to go find somewhere to hide real quick. It doesn't really look like it should be raining right now. These clouds aren't looking too bad. Alright, let's grab the jig. See how many blades of grass we can catch with this. I think we can at least catch 2 blades of grass, right? Oh man. These bugs are relentless. No. Who goes up a nose? Oh man. Oh man, I completely missed him. That was a terrible hook set. Terrible hook set. Golly. My excuse for the hook set is that I'm not really used to fishing with a GoPro on yet. Terrible excuse, I know. But it's the best one I got. Let's try getting it a little bit closer to the weeds. There, we got him. Come on. Oh, come on, get those. There we go. Another really skinny looking little guy. There we go, though. Was not hooked very well. Look at that. Another really skinny little guy. Not super healthy. And he's off. Perfect. Oh, there's a frog. Alright, getting up this next little spot here. We're on the other side of these cattails. Nice little weedy in cut area. Probably not going to spend too much time in this spot unless we start catching them right away. Larry, oh, he dropped it. No, that's weeds. He had it and then he dropped it. I was just about to set the hook. There's one. Oh. Not very big, I don't think. Oh, get out of those lily pads. Come on now. Come on, there we go. Whew. There. Another little guy. But man, they are just munching this football head. Let me get that lily pad out of your mouth there for you, guy. Maybe. Yeah, you don't want that. All right. Another small, real skinny little guy, but awesome. Man, they are just munching this little football head jig, though. All right, just wrapped up at this here pond. This one's called West Sandy. We just wrapped up here. Got on them with the wacky rig and the jig. I would have liked to have caught some more on the jig, but it's always fun catching them no matter what you're using. Yeah, let's go on to the next pond. Got a few more in store. Hopefully I got enough GoPro batteries. But let's go. Just got to the next pond. I've been here once or twice before. It's been probably 2 years since I've been here. But from what I remember, the bottom is really not good. Like, it's all just like mucky. Other than right here by the boat landing where there's rocks. So I'm probably not going to spend a whole lot of time here. Just gonna try a few casts, just feel it out. Yeah. Whole bunch of muck. Oh, and then I completely missed a fish. Was not expecting that one bit. Just got to the next little pond. As you can see, there's I don't know if you actually can see that far, but there's a convoy going through. So it took me about 30 minutes to drive like 3-4 miles. Those convoys don't run or don't go very fast. But let's get fishing. Walking up to this next spot here, right by this little dam spillway type deal. Oh, I ripped that right out of his mouth. I thought he had it. He did have it. He was swimming with it, everything. Oh man, let me get re-rigged, we'll get back out there. Alright, threw a new Senko on. Let's see if he doesn't take it again. I don't know how I didn't hook him though. He was swimming with it. Took the Senko off the hook. Unless he was just swimming with the tail of the Senko or something. I thought it was a somewhat decent hook set. Not the best, obviously, but... Ah, oh, ow. Mosquito just flew right in my eye. There, we got him that time. There we go. Set the hook like a real champ that time. Come on, I might need the pliers for this one. Oh, yep. Ouch. There, look at that. Finally a decent, chubby little bass. He's not very long, but finally something halfway decent. Hey everybody, just got back from a long day of fishing. We bounced around to a lot of different ponds today. I guess I wouldn't say it was a slow day. It was a pretty good day, had a lot of bites, missed quite a few fish. But yeah, we got towards the end of the day there, I decided to go to some lakes that were a little ways away, and there just was like not any bank access to them at all, and I didn't really get any bites, so I probably won't include those in the video. But all in all, it was a really good day today. Little football head jig was really working pretty well today. Of course, I lost that later on, and it was the only one that I had left, so I'm going to have to go and pick up some more of those. But either way, it was a really good day, a lot of fun. Definitely plan on taking a boat out into some of those little lakes, though, because that would be the move. Probably catch a lot of big fish out there. But that's all for today. If you liked today's video, please hit the thumbs up button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.